Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm showcasing the new After School Projects backpack from Los Angeles, California. So this is a cool design with a water repellent, water resistant material and zippers. This is the Ruck 18-liter backpack. It has a key catch right here, or whatever catch you want. It's a full-size pocket, and then it also has another pocket, and it's lined with plastic on the inside to keep it more watertight. So that's a nice satisfying zipper right there. Also with the water repellent, water resistant zipper cover. And then you have two water bottle mesh sides, one on the left and one on the right. And it even has a close so it won't fly out of your backpack if you're running. And now going inside the top of the bag, again you can see the zipper cover. Nice satisfying zipper opening and closing right there. And inside you have mesh pockets. And this mesh pocket goes halfway down the backpack. And then this is for a laptop inside. So this right here opens up and it is a fully padded compartment for up to a 15.5-inch laptop. It's padded on both sides. So that's nice there. And again, it has this nice zippered, closed, shut experience with a full pull tab like you'd see on top of the backpack. And then going around to the back of the backpack, it's fully padded for your laptop right here. And it stops before the bottom part, so it won't slam into the bottom of the backpack. You have clips here for the shoulder straps. And you can also put this backpack through a handle right here. Or you can put something through the back if you need to carry something long. And then up here you have the standard pull, and then there's also one here. Usually backpacks only have one. This actually has two pulls. So again, with the zipper over the top, nice water repellent cover on top, and as well as the material that this is made out of. This is from After School Projects from Los Angeles, and this is the Rucksack in black 18-liter bag. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.